Hello everyone and welcome back to Knotty Threads. Recently on this channel I posted a few new designs where this kind of lace was worked. So in those videos I noticed quite a few of you have commented how to attach this kind of lace to the sari. So in this video I will be demonstrating the same. Watch the video till the end, and this pattern looks really nice, really trendy. So to attach this to the sari, I am using cotton thread and normal sewing needle. Now if you want to learn how to work this design, I will be linking this video in the I button. So click on that and you will get the tutorial of how to work this design. So I have taken 2 strands of cotton thread in the normal sewing needle. I have doubled it and knotted it, and then this is how we will be stitching the lace to the sari pallu. Now the method I am following is same as we attach the tatting lace. So you can either work this kind of design directly onto the sari, or you can work a separate lace and then attach it to the sari like I am doing in the video. So most of the designs I posted of late are lace designs. So the reason why I worked it separately is there are a lot of customers who will not be willing to send the sari just in case if they are from another place. So when we follow this method, we can simply work this kind of lace design and courier it to them very easily, and they can attach it themselves by looking at this video. If you are having the sari with you, then you can work this directly onto the sari. Now one by one we will have to stitch the ring to the sari. We'll have to make sure the stitch is in the center of the ring so that it doesn't go cross. So maintain the center and then just stitch it along with the sari like this. Now when the needle is towards the wrong side, we will have to pass it through that picot so that there is no loose thread seen. So if you notice, I am passing the needle from in between that picot part of the sari. So the thread will remain inside the picot and it will not be visible even in the wrong side. So by following this method, the right side and the wrong side both will look equally neat. So do give it a try, and in case you try this design, please feel free to share the pictures in our crochet club group on Facebook. Also follow our Knotty Threads page on Facebook. I am uploading a lot of new content every day, almost every day. So I'm almost done with more than half, and we'll just continue the same way. It is good if you knot the cotton thread after 2-3 rings so that it stays intact and there is no fear of the thread breaking or something. So after a certain distance, I am knotting it in the wrong side. So when I knot it, I don't cut the thread. So I will just continue after knotting. So this is the center stitch, and you will have to keep checking every now and then if the length of the lace is good enough to reach the end. So how you're going to work this is, first you will have to measure the width of the pallu. Now this particular sari, the width was around 49.5 inches. So I worked 49 inches because this lace will kind of stretch a little. So I worked 49 inches. I worked half an inch lesser than what was required. And then using the normal sewing needle and cotton thread, I am hand stitching it like this. So if you feel this process is tedious, you can directly work it onto the sari pallu when you are doing the donut part. That is also possible. I did not use any other color in this particular design because complete sari is single color. There is no other color to play with. So I worked the complete design using the single color, and in the last step I have added a small silver bead because the sari has silver zari. So all the color alternations can be done as per the requirement, as per you like. If you want, you can use beads or you can replace it with a picot stitch as well. But once the design is complete, I'm sure you guys will like it. And this part also, it doesn't take a lot of time, but yes, you definitely need patience because close to 50 inches is what you will have to stitch. So you'll have to carefully see and then make sure you stitch it correctly so that it is enough till the end. So every now and then you will have to knot the thread just to make sure it is strong, and make sure to pass it from inside the picot. These are the only two things you will have to remember when you are doing this attaching part to the sari. So that's it. You'll have to continue till the end and I'll show you the final look. It doesn't take too much time to work this design. Since it's lace, you don't have to balance the sari and play around and all of that. So this is the final look. Right now this is my current favorite. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about this design, and if you have any requests, please feel free to mention them in the comment section. Please share our videos with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest for all the updates. That's all in today's video. I shall see you guys soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.